Hello again. So, it's been a couple of hours, and the current setup is only working partially the way I want it. I need to pump some more of the above ground water off to be able to actually get to the mud, so I can dig a deeper hole and submerge the sump basin into the ground, so it's going to catch more of the groundwater and pull it in and hopefully be able to pump more continuously. Right now the pump's not running because I have it on the surface, the sump base on the surface, and the water level is dropped below where the holes are, and I don't want to drill additional holes. But let me flip this around. So as you can see, I showed you before, I pumped a lot of water out because you'll see in the second part of the video, part 2 that I did, the water was basically all the way up to the edge of the play set there. So I've been able to remove a tremendous amount, even over here, if you can remember. I've removed a lot. I dug a trench, just a makeshift trench, to try and get some of that water that's accumulated down there on the end to flow down this way a little bit. And then you can see there's still a significant amount of water. But I ran out of time because I have to watch my kids, and I can't be up to my neck in mud and leave them alone in the house. So the next time I have a day off, I'm gonna have to come back here and reconfigure where the pump's going to be located. If you can see, I put the lid on and I bolted it down. Actually, I think the pump is running. That's how quiet it is. But if you can see, the hose is shaking just a little bit. It's actually running, so it's still pulling water in. So I may not have to do what I thought I was going to do. I don't know yet. We'll have to see. But over there's a tremendous amount of water. I dug a trench there. You can see, kind of see. I don't have my waders on, so I can't really go back there. But I dug a trench from that back kind of pooling to try and get the water to flow to the front a little bit more. And then I can actually hear the water draining into the culvert drain down there at the end by my neighbor's house. So it's working. It looks like it's working. Hopefully I can get a significant amount of the water off the top and then be able to submerge this a little bit, so I can get more of that groundwater and get all the holes that's in the sump basin actually pulling water in from all of the holes, not just the ones on the very bottom. I think I'll be able to pump water more efficiently that way. So this is day 1. Basically, all these videos were just day 1 of me pumping. So once, probably check back in a couple of days. I got to work the next 2 days, so I won't be able to take a look at it. But I'll take a look on Friday, and we'll see what it looks like then, and hopefully it works. So don't forget to click the like button. I'm going to start doing some more DIY videos, true DIY, because I'm really not all that handy. But check out Apple Drains on YouTube if you're looking for more professional information. They do much more in-depth installs, and great resource I use. So I really highly suggest using checking out their channel if you're looking to do an install yourself at home. Save some money. Sump pumps, French drains, things like that. All right, thanks guys, talk to you later.